Hey everybody, Pinoy Toy Geek
and Red 13,
and we've got another video for you.
Alright everybody, and today we're talking about two different sets from Mega Bloks. Both are Despicable Me. The first one being Motorcycle Mayhem, 160 pieces with two different minions, and the second being the Ice Cream Truck, 286 pieces with also two minions and an ice cream grabber. As you can see, both sets are really awesome.
Now let's go ahead and take a look at the back of these boxes. Now taking a look at the first one, you can see up close the details of the motorcycle, also the scenes in the movie in which it takes place. It also has a little shooter there. Taking a look at the second box, you can see the details of the ice cream truck. The ice cream makes its music and it cranes out to catch minions, just like in the movie. Both of these sets are really cool and I'm excited to show them to you. So, let's go ahead and get started. Okay ba? Chika chika. Booty baby karabam. Hang on to your hats when you tear up the streets with Motorcycle Mayhem by Mega Bloks' Despicable Me. You know there's going to be mischief when the minions get behind the wheel, and now you can be a part of it. Build the mischievous motorcycle and get ready for the ride of your life. Double the chaos as two minions do their best to careen around sharp corners, bank unknown byways, and launch Missile Mania with the button-activated missile launcher. Mix and match the minion clothing, goggles, accessories, arms, and feet to customize your loyal tribe. 포기지구나 끄리비리비리브라 우리 두분은 그럼 포포지포따마. I scream, you scream, the minions scream when their favorite treat truck turns out to be a trap. Build the ice cream truck by Mega Bloks Despicable Me and capture those mischievous minions once and for all. Lure them in by playing the truck's ice cream song. Then, once the minions have been distracted by those sweet bell sounds, snatch them up using the cone claw and hear them scream. Attach any minion from your collection to the truck's cone claw and hear them scream. Then, sit one of your minions in the driver's seat and the other in the back cabin to turn them into nasty tormentors.
Kucha punambu Hagaribi El puko pakapakiri ya Bukiru Aligabu Hinahu Repu Huta Kota Ukakapo Rinamba Papa Ukirabe Ukirabe Raki kebuka Buka temu Mavui Aduh tabak Tafu naman Riyu genta Uh-oh Ratiki Putih nama-nama Tegeri kesesoran
Well, that's the whole set, everybody. Please leave a comment letting us know what you thought about it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to catch every episode of Minifigure Mania Daily.
Thank you for watching. This is Pinoy Toy Geek,
And this is Red 13.
signing off.